car engines are not created equal. Some barely survive past 100,000 miles, while others just keep going 200K, 300K, even pushing toward 1,000,000 miles like it's nothing. And here's the part most people don't realize: the engines that last the longest aren't always the newest, the most powerful, or the most advanced. In fact, some of the most bulletproof engines ever made are hiding in plain sight. Today on SUV Squad, we're counting down 15 engines that refuse to die. From old-school iron block legends to modern performance monsters that somehow just keep surviving. And stick with me, because by the end, we're revealing the engine that tuners push past 1,000 horsepower and it still refuses to break. Also, quick heads up, this list might completely change how you buy your next car. But before we dive in, real quick, if you're into engines that actually last, not just hype numbers, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because we break down the engines mechanics trust, the ones owners swear by, and the ones you should stay far away from. Let's get into it. 15. Chevrolet Small Block 350. Number 15. The Chevrolet Small Block 350, a 5.7L V8 that powered Camaros, Corvettes, boats, and industrial equipment. In production from 1954 to 2003, over 50 years, because the design was simply that sound. Cast iron block and heads, pushrod design reducing complexity. With basic maintenance, these engines hit 300,000 miles. Some have reached 1,000,000 miles. It's not sophisticated. It doesn't need to be. 14. Volkswagen 19 TDI ALH. The Volkswagen 19 TDI ALH diesel inline-4 that powered numerous VW and Audi models. Cast iron block and head, distributor injection pump that's simpler and more durable than common rail systems. These engines hit 400,000 miles regularly. Some documented examples have reached 600,000 miles. It's not pushed to its limits even under load. Timing belt replacement is the critical maintenance item. Stay on schedule and this engine just keeps accumulating miles. T13 Volvo B230. Number 13. The Volvo B230, a 2.3L inline-4 from the 1980s and 90s. Cast iron block, forged steel crankshaft, 5 main bearings, built beyond what it ever needed to be. These engines routinely exceed 300,000 miles, with some examples documented at 1,000,000 miles. Like the B18 before it, the B230 was used in industrial applications, forklifts, and generators because it simply wouldn't wear out. 12. Jeep 4.0L. The Jeep 4.0L inline-6, found in Cherokees and Wranglers and one of the most beloved truck engines ever built. Cast iron block and head, pushrod design. Under stress, producing solid power and torque without being pushed near its limits. These engines regularly hit 300,000 miles. Some have exceeded 500,000. Keep the cooling system in shape and this engine will outlast the body around it. DD11 Ford Modular 4.6L. Number 11. The Ford Modular 4.6L V8, found in Mustangs and Crown Victorias. Cast iron block in most applications, overhead cam design for better airflow efficiency. Ford improved this engine continuously across its production run. These engines regularly hit 200,000 to 300,000 miles. The modular name refers to the manufacturing process. Multiple engine variants built on a shared assembly line, not the engine architecture itself. Top 10 starts now. And trust us, the gap in engineering quality between the bottom of this list and the top is significant. Number 1 is in a category by itself. 10. Toyota 1UZ-Fi. The Toyota 1UZ-Fi, a 4.0L V8 built to aerospace tolerances. 6-bolt main bearings, belt-driven quad-cam setup, aluminum block and heads. This engine was at the heart of Lexus luxury cars for years. It regularly surpasses 300,000 miles. Some have hit 1,000,000 miles. Replace the timing belt on schedule. That's the only thing standing between you and an engine that will genuinely outlast the vehicle it's installed. In 9. Honda B1AC. Number 9. The Honda B1AC, a 1.8L inline-4 that powered the Integra Type R aluminum block, DOHC VTEC, and at the time of release the highest specific output of any naturally aspirated production engine. These engines surpass 250,000 miles with proper care. Even in performance applications, pushed hard, they maintain reliability. Lightweight construction, no fragility. That's Honda's engineering philosophy in its purest form. The 8 Chrysler 225/6, the Chrysler 225/6, named for its 30-degree tilt, which lowered the hood line and improved weight distribution. Found in Plymouth Valiants and Dodge Darts, cast iron construction, deliberately understressed. These engines hit 300,000 miles regularly. Many have exceeded 500,000. Like several engines on this list, the Slant 6 was used to power industrial generators and irrigation pumps because it simply didn't break. 7. Mercedes-Benz OM 6 Number 7. The Mercedes-Benz OM 6 a 3.0L inline-5 diesel, Cast iron block and head, sodium-filled valves, hardened valve seats. This engine has documented cases exceeding 1 million miles. It regularly surpasses 500,000 miles. Let it warm up properly before driving, use quality diesel oil, and change it on schedule. That's the entire maintenance formula for an engine that can genuinely last a lifetime. 300 INL6. The Ford 300, a 4.9L inline-six that powered F-Series trucks for decades. Cast iron block and head. An undersquare design, stroke longer than bore, produces strong low-end torque and reduces internal wear. These engines hit 300,000 miles routinely. Many exceed 500,000. Used in irrigation pumps and generators due to its near-indestructible reliability. Simple, deliberately understressed, and almost impossible to kill. Honda K20 number 5, the Honda K20. A 2.0L inline-4 found across Honda and Acura lineups. All aluminum construction, IV-Tech system, roller rockers, timing chain instead of a belt. These features add up to an engine that regularly passes 300,000 miles. Even heavily modified K20s maintain reliability. Watch oil consumption at high mileage and keep it topped up. That's the main thing K20 owners need to track. 4. GM 3800 Series 2. The GM 3800 Series 2, a 3.8L V6 that's been called one of the best engines ever made. Iron block, aluminum heads, pushrod design. Balanced, understressed, and refined over decades. These engines routinely hit 300,000 to 400,000 miles. The basic architecture traces back to the 1960s, because some designs are simply correct the first time. 3. GM LS1 number 3. The GM LS1, a 5.7L V8 that redefined American performance engines. Deep skirt aluminum block, pushrod layout, compact design. Built to handle significantly more power than it produces in stock form. These engines hit 300,000 miles regularly. Some exceed 500,000. In modified form, still reliable. The one known weak point is the oil pump, upgraded on high mileage or modified examples. Everything else on this engine is overbuilt. T2 Toyota 22RE number 2. The Toyota 22RE, a 2.4L inline-4 that powered Toyota trucks and 4Runners for years. Cast iron block, aluminum head. Deliberately simple. Fewer complex systems means fewer things that can fail. These engines hit 300,000 miles routinely. Many exceed 500,000. Some have reached 1 million miles. Used in forklifts and generators because it wouldn't wear out. Called unkillable, and the documented mileage backs that up completely. 1 Toyota 2JZ GTE and the number 1 most indestructible engine ever built, the Toyota 2JZ GTE, a 3.L inline-6 found in the Toyota Supra. Cast iron block, aluminum head, sequential twin-turbo setup, and a design so overbuilt that it handles 1,000 plus horsepower in modified form and keeps running for 100,000 miles at that power level. In stock form, these engines pass 250,000 miles, modified to 2 or 3 times their factory output, still reliable, still running. That is not normal. No other engine on this list can make that claim at that scale. Regular oil changes with full synthetic, upgrade the oil pump before big power builds, and this engine will outlast virtually everything else on the road. It's not the most powerful engine ever built. It's the most trusted, and that's why it's number 1. That's the full top 15, every engine ranked, every detail backed by engineering. If you're buying a truck or SUV and want something that will still be running strong past 300,000 miles, this list is your guide. Drop a comment telling us which engine you own or which one you think deserved a higher spot. Subscribe to SUV Squad for more content like this. We go deep so you don't have to guess. See you in the next one.